Hello students, in this video we will solve one problem and we will learn how to use the techniques of calculus to solve problems of kinematics. So the problem says that the position of a particle, it is given as a function of time, and where a, b and c are constants. Now the question requires that when the particle attains zero acceleration, what will be the velocity? So we have to solve this problem to find the velocity when the particle's acceleration is zero. So let us start solving it in a step-by-step approach. So this is the position function. The function means the position is varying with time, and it is a cubic variation. So you need not worry about cubic or quartic variation. We have to find the velocity and the acceleration because it is asking when the acceleration is zero. So how we find the acceleration of the particle from position function? We differentiate it two times. Velocity is dx by dt and acceleration is dv upon dt, which is d upon dt of dx upon dt. So it is d2x double derivative of position function. Let us differentiate it step by step. So velocity is d upon dt of x because the position is a function of time. So d upon dt of at plus bt square minus ct cube, and it gives you a plus 2bt minus 3ct square. This is velocity. Now from this velocity function you can find the acceleration by differentiating the velocity function, which is a, it is a constant, so it will be 0 plus 2b minus 6ct. Now the question asks that when the particle has zero acceleration, this means you have to find the time when acceleration is zero. When acceleration is zero. So what we have to do is to find out the time at when the acceleration becomes zero. So if a is equal to 0, this implies that 2b minus 6ct is equal to 0. From this equation, t comes out to be 2b by 6c, which is b by 3c. b by 3c. Now at this time the acceleration is 0. At t equal to b by 3c, acceleration is 0. Means the particle is not accelerating. The velocity is not changing. At this time the velocity is, from the velocity function we obtained a plus 2bt minus 3ct square. Now you have to put t equal to b by 3c in this equation, in the equation of velocity. So what you get, v is equal to a plus 2b into b by 3c minus 3c into t square. So it is b square by 3c square. Now solve this. What you get, v is equal to a plus 2b square by 3c minus b square by 3c, and it comes out to be a plus b square by 3c. So this is the velocity of the particle when the acceleration is 0. Acceleration, now physics wise, what does this mean? That if the particle's velocity is varying with time, at an instant the velocity becomes the tangent to the velocity at time t equal to b by 3c. The tangent at this point of velocity time graph velocity time graph is parallel to time axis. So this is how we can find out the required time.